You're going to be okay this morning, evening, you're all right, but heat of the day, 94 degrees by 3 o'clock. Mostly sunny skies for the most part. I'm going to put us at a 10% chance for a sprinkle or two this afternoon, but again, it's a 10% chance. Go do what you want to do. You're probably going to be okay. Near record heat today. We're going to have a high of 96 degrees. The record high is 98. And we did break a record yesterday. Another record falling. 98 degrees was the high yesterday. We're going to cool down and dry out later in the week. Now, it's not going to get down to average or even below average temperatures, but it will at least significantly cool down for a few days. And even better, the humidity is going to drop even more in the next few days. So I think you're going to enjoy the end of the week, and your weekend looks pretty good as well. Although there is no significant rain, which we definitely need. We're tracking the tropics with a few systems out there. Now, Hurricane Umberto continues to move away from the United States. Category 1 hurricane with 90-mile-per-hour winds. It is expected to increase in intensity, becoming a Category 3 storm with 115-mile-per-hour winds by 2 o'clock on Wednesday. Coming close to Bermuda, it looks like it's going to move north of Bermuda, but you can see by Wednesday night into Thursday morning, the extreme southern edge of that little margin of error of the forecast track still has it moving very close to the island. So we'll keep an eye on that, but most model data suggest it will stay north of Bermuda and not have a direct impact, and that's good news. A few other systems we're watching. The main one is in the Gulf of Mexico. You can see a 30% chance for development with that system. It's already bringing some rain to the coast of Texas. Meanwhile, you can see Hurricane Umberto continuing to move east and northeast, and then we're watching this system as well. It has a 70% chance of development over the next couple of days. So lots going on in the tropics here locally. 72 in Chattanooga, 68 in Cleveland, 59 degrees in Murphy, and 66 in Athens, and nothing going on with our Holiday Inn camera except for the beautiful changing lights on the Tennessee Aquarium. Did I mention? Yeah, take a look. There they are. Who knows what color they're going to be next hour. There you go, with a few clouds later today, but not much in the way of rain. Once again, a 10% chance of a shower or two with those clouds, but for the most part, you're going to be rain-free today. Tomorrow, I'm going to actually up the rain chance to 20%, so again, we're not clinging to great hopes of any significant rain that's going to relieve the drought status, but a drop or two certainly possible as the system moves in from the east rather, and we get more cloud cover through the day on Wednesday. Thursday, it's going to be amazing. We're going to have high pressure building in. That high pressure Thursday and Friday. Temperatures will be a little bit lower, and the humidity will be a little bit lower as well. So it's going to be really comfortable for the end of the week, and the weekend's not going to be too bad either. It'll be in the upper 80s and dry on Saturday, about 90 degrees and dry on Sunday. And then on Monday, that high pressure begins to break up, and we'll see that front finally moving through, maybe bringing us a sprinkle or two for the first day of summer. First day of fall on Monday. First day of summer would be bad. Near record heat today, 96 degrees to the high. Late clouds, maybe a sprinkle or two as we get into the mid-90s all throughout the valley. Tonight, it'll drop down to 70. It is going to be fairly pleasant, wonderful evening as we see the sun setting, and then very pleasant overnight into tomorrow morning. We'll drop most of us outside of the city into the 60s. And here's our Storm Alert 7-day forecast. A lot going on. Again, as we see that temperature dropping, the humidity dropping, very pleasant for the end of the week and heading into the weekend. If you have outdoor plans this weekend, you're going to be fine. A little bit warmer than you'd probably like for the end of September, but what are you going to do, right? And then the first day of fall, the 23rd, Monday, and it is going to be, ready? First time, fall, y'all. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're on your own there.
Sorry, 91 degrees for the first day of fall.